Hi, and welcome to another episode of Smokin' Sous Vide. So today we're going to do some chicken wings on the smoker, and I'm going to show you how to get these all done up. And then what we'll do is we can vacuum bag them and then throw them in the freezer for later use. You can either heat them in the toaster oven or with a sous vide machine. So I'll list the ingredients to put in there, but that's basically just olive oil, salt, kosher salt, and pepper. So just those three ingredients, keeps it nice and clean, and we're going to smoke those up today. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, all right, so now we're out at the smoker for the chicken wings. We got them there. Smoker's at 350 degrees. I just did a batch earlier, so I'm not going to change the foil for that one. And put the nibs down here, put the legs down here, back part of the wing. Nub, I think they call it. And we're just going to keep putting them out. See? This is the hotter part of my grill, so I like to put the thicker meat down at this end. Okay, so I'll get this on here. We'll leave it for 20 minutes. We'll come back out and check it. Surface area with this grill, so got lots of wings on it. Okay, there we go. So cover those up and we'll come back in 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes for the wings. Just gonna open those up. We're just gonna flip them all, scraping them off the grill a bit. Just, give them a good flip, and we'll show you what it looks like once I'm done here. I'll just I won't make you watch it all. So hang on for a moment. Okay, as you can see, I flipped all the leg portion of the wing, or the garment. Did not flip the nibs. We'll just leave those and let them rot up, and let them get a nice crisp skin on them. Okay, we'll come back in another 20 minutes. Okay, it's been another 20 minutes on these wings. I did move them around a bit just to keep them from burning. So you can judge what your smoker's doing there. They need at least 40 minutes. You can see now these wings are all nicely browned. So I took the ones that weren't browning and I moved them back. So yeah, you've got a good assortment there now. I haven't flipped these nibs yet, and I'll do that now just to kind of brown them up on the other side. You can see that coming from the cold side, they need a little bit more time. So, flip these. Watch we don't lose any through that grill. They do go through there sideways. Okay. So at this point, we're going to start pulling these wings in. Just toss them into our bucket. Because they are done. Alright, we'll leave those for another 10 minutes or so. Just give them a little bit more brown. Then I'll come back and take them off. Okay, here we are. It's been the last few minutes. I flipped them once more. Give those things a little bit more time to crisp up. But they're plenty good. So we're going to take all these off now. Throw them in with the rest. Shut down the pellet smoker. Give it a good clean up. Chicken does tend to splatter at this temperature. Alright, so we'll take those in and I'll let you know how they are. Okay, so we're back. The wings are done. Here we are. We got them in here. So let's just take one of those. And I'm going to have to do the taste testing for you. So hang on for a second. Oh, the flavor. The moistness. Look at that. It doesn't get much better than this. You can go to any of these wing places. You will not get a good, healthy, very tasty wing, anything like this. So highly recommend it. Hit of every party. Enjoy. Like I say, it's just olive oil, kosher salt, coarse ground black pepper. Very simple and incredibly tasty. And just used a hardwood blend of pellets for this, but it just turns out so incredible. Yep, very good. Very, very good. All right. Hope you enjoyed this one. Very easy to do. And once you give it a try, let me know how it works for you.